Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to share your hotspot connection via QR code on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. This is a handy feature that allows you to quickly and securely share your mobile data with other devices. Let's get started. First, launch the Settings app by tapping on the gear icon from home or the app screen. In the Settings menu, tap Connections. Next, tap on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Tap on Mobile Hotspot and make sure it's turned on. If not, simply toggle the switch next to it to the on position. When enabled, you should see the QR code icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on it. On the succeeding window, you will see the QR code for your mobile hotspot. Simply scan this QR code to connect to the Galaxy Z Flip 5 hotspot network from another device without entering the password. You can also save the QR code for later use. To do so, simply tap the Save as Image icon at the bottom left side of the screen. To share the QR code, tap Share, and then select your preferred sharing method. And that's it. You've just learned how to share your hotspot connection via QR code on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. This feature makes it easier than ever to share your mobile data with friends, family, or other devices. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.